Welcome back, guys. My name is Tony, and you are watching the next episode about the restoration this 1994 Nissan Skyline. First of all, I'm so sorry about my bad English. It's not my native language, so I'm trying to do the best. And don't forget to like and click subscribe button. If you don't know, I bought a turbo Nissan Skyline. The engine was fine, but the body was very rusty, and I decided to restore it. So let's go to see what came out of it. Enjoy your watching. I ordered a new metal panel like this, and this is my old panel. So I want to measure these holes and made it here and then weld it to the body. So I cut off all this bad metal and ready to start and weld, but I don't know how to do this. I don't know where I need to start. From this side or maybe from this side. I don't know. I want to start and weld a new side panel and then made a new floor and a new these places. I have special equipment, two metal barrels, a drill a 1 or 2 inch hole in the metal, insert the barrels into the hole and use a hammer or press, and getting a reinforcements in metal panel. Then I measure the holes for the gas tank handle and drill them. Then I decided to make a special enhancer. I took a free piece of metal and drilled holes. This part will be the side panel push enhancer. Today we remove all the windows. It will be easier to do the body works without the glass. So the next step, we made a pattern out of paper to make this corner from metal and weld it. Look at this. We want to mark where we need to cut the side panel in the front. I took the fender and we need to install it and watch where we need to cut this side panel. So after installing the fender, we see that we need to cut the side panel, something like this. So I started making the last part. So I have finished making the reinforcements and now I'm ready for start welding. It looks like this here and here. I want to make a new this part too. I'm waiting your comments. What do you think about my custom side panels? Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next episode. I'm definitely looking forward to your comments and subscription. See you guys.